Hello friends, in this quick tutorial I'm going to show you how to react on this code. But before getting started this video, make sure to subscribe. How to unminute. So for example, I want to react to this message. So for that, click on this little add reaction button, and from here select the react, and here we can see the react has been added. And if you want to add multiple react at the same time, click on this emoji and press and hold down the shift key and select your react and hit enter. And here we can see multiple react have been added. So this was how we can react on this code. If you have any questions, feel free to post in description. If you think to see more WordPress videos, please check the links in descriptions. If this video helped you, give a thumbs up and please consider subscribe. How to unminute. Thank you for watching.